Good morning students. In this class we will discuss about our fourth property of propagation of errors. Okay, error in the division of two quantities. We know very well about the two quantities. Okay, A and B. Okay, so straightly we are going to the formula Z which is equal to A divided by B. So what is the value of Z? Measured value with its error del Z, which is equal to A measured value plus or minus del A error value divided by B plus or minus measured value del B. Okay, so this is LHS and this is RHS. Okay, and this side you multiplied as well as divided by A. So the equation becomes A divided by A plus or minus del A by A. Similar, multiplied and divided by B. B divided by B plus or minus del B by B. So the A cancel as well as B cancel. So Z is equal plus or minus del Z. Okay. So this one divided by Z. So 1 plus or minus del Z by Z, which is equal to 1 plus or minus del A by A. Listen, one more thing is there. We are multiplying as well as multiply and divided by A. We are divide only by A. So the multiply thing is there. So the equation becomes A into 1 plus or minus del A by A divided by B into 1 plus or minus del B by B. What is the value of A by B? We write as Z. Okay, 1 plus or minus del Z by Z, which is equal to Z into 1 plus or minus del A by A. And this go up means it will, the term we will write the power of minus 1. Okay, into 1 plus or minus del B by B whole power minus 1. Okay, so 1 plus or minus del Z by Z, which is equal to Z into 1 plus or minus del A by A into 1 plus or minus, listen, this is the formula for 1 plus x whole power minus n. So what is the formula? 1 minus nx. Okay, 1 minus nx. We rearrange this equation for 1 minus nx, 1 plus or minus, this term can be changed as minus or plus. Okay, that is negative, minus or plus del B by B. Okay, so del Z by Z, it is a multiple, 1 into del A by A, del A into A, so del B into B. 1 plus or minus, which is equal to Z. Cut pandra. 1 plus or minus del A by A minus or plus del B by B into del A by A into del B by B. Okay, this side we divide by Z, so this may be cancelled. So the value of del A into divided by A, del B by B is cancelled. So 1 plus or minus del Z by Z, which is equal to 1 plus or minus del A by A minus or plus or minus del B by B. Okay, so this may be cancelled. Del Z by Z, which is equal to del A by A plus or minus del B by B. Okay, that's all students. This is the final answer. Okay, we are getting the property of division. Okay, so in your four properties, addition and subtraction, multiplication, division, the addition and subtraction answer is same. Z which is equal to A plus B, del A plus del B, and multiplication and division the answer is same, del Z by Z which is equal del A by A plus plus or minus del B by B. So this is the division of two quantities, the maximum fractional error which is equal to the sum of individual fractional errors. Okay, and from this topic one problem is related to this topic. Example 1.8, that is very simple problem. And next one more error is there, error in the power of nth power. Okay, very easy, error in the nth power. Okay, so what is the value of z which is equal to a, we take only a power n. So what is the value of z plus or minus del z which is equal to a plus or minus del a whole power n. Okay, this term multiply and divided by a. Okay, and this term divided by z, not multiplied, only divided. Okay, z 1 plus or minus del z by z which is equal to 1 plus or minus del a by a whole power n. Okay, 1 plus or minus del z by z. So the equation a power n, 1 plus n x whole power n, that is 1 plus n into x. So 1 plus the power become in front of the del a divided by a. So n into del a by a. So this may be cancelled. So del z by z which is equal to 1 plus or minus del a by a. Okay, del z by z which is equal to n into del a by a. Okay, this is the rule. And from this rule we related some error, percentage error. Okay, percentage error, very simple concept. They are giving the formula, percentage error and absolute error. Okay, for general rule they are giving in your textbook z which is equal to a power p, b power q divided by c power r. This is the nth power related sum. Okay, nth power our fifth property, error in the product of nth power. Okay, so z which is equal to, and for z we rewrite this z del z by z which is equal to, already we know that nth power, the power become in front of a. So p into this a can be changed, del a by a plus q into del b by b plus, listen, why we are using plus here? Because for product and division of two quantities the error is same, because del a by a plus del b by b. Okay, so that's why we are writing this c to upward. Okay, so upper r into del c by c. Okay, this is the corrected rule, this is the general rule. We are using percentage error, relative error or absolute error. Okay, suppose this may be termed in terms of percentage error, no problem, only we multiplied by 100, del z by z into 100 which is equal to p into del a by a into 100 plus q into del b by b into 100 plus r into del c by c into 100. This is the general rule, not sum. This is the general rule for nth power of percentage error. Okay, and they are giving the example for 1.9. It will asked in NEET 2013 exam. Very simple example. They are giving a physical quantity x is given by a physical quantity x which is equal to a square b3, a square b power 3 divided by c into root d, Okay, if the percentage errors of the measurement in a, b, c, a which is equal to 4%, b which is equal to 2%, c which is equal to 3% and d which is equal to 1%. Okay, what they are asking, the calculate the percentage error in the calculation. Okay, listen, first we rewrite this equation. What is the equation? X del x divided by x, which is equal to 2a. Okay, 2 del a by a into 100 because percentage error. Okay, plus 3 del b by b into 100. Okay, plus c, there is no power, so we write 1 into del c by c. So plus this is root d means in root we what we write in root d power 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 2 del d by d. Okay, so listen, already they are giving the percentage error, okay, with 100. So this term can be changed into 4%. Because already they gave 4% percentage error of a. So 2 into what is the percentage error of a? 4%. Plus 3 into what is the percentage error of b? 2%. Plus 1 into what is the percentage error of c? 3%. Plus 1 by 2, what is the percentage error of d? 1. Okay, so 2 4s are 8 plus 3 2s are 6, 8%, 6% plus 3% plus 1 by 2, that means 0.5%. Okay, 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 0.5, 17.5. Very, very easiest. This is the total maximum percentage value del x by x, which is equal to 17.5%. That's all. That's all, students. Thank you.